Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold set power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on app management and click on app list. If you want to fix this problem, so click on camera app and click on storage and cache and clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is reset all settings. Go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.